exposing the secrets to fixing random system crashes fast. First up, let's tackle those pesky DCOM errors. Press Windows plus R, type DCOM CNFG, and press Enter. Navigate to Component Services. Computers, My Computer, DCOM config. Find and fix permissions under Launch and Activation for the culprit entry. Done? Great. Now let's check for hardware issues. Overheating? Use HW Monitor to ensure CPU and GPU temps are below 80 degrees Celsius. If they're high, clean those fans or consider better cooling. Next, test your RAM. Run Windows Memory Diagnostic by typing mesjed.x. Found errors? Time to replace or reseat the RAM. Check your PSU too. If it's underpowered, swap it out with a reliable one. Run a disk check with Chatkagasc per F/R in command prompt. Corrupted sectors? Let Windows handle them on restart. Finally, let's check for software conflicts. Boot into safe mode using mesconfig. No crashes. It might be a third-party software issue. Follow these steps and you'll pinpoint the problem in no time. Like and share if this helped you out.